Hi, my dear students. Here the continuation of the question paper, 10th standard mathematics subject model question paper released by Karnataka State Board. Yes, in the last video you learned how to attend the multiple choice questions. Okay, today you are going to attend that is answer the following questions. Second main here 8 questions are there. Each carries 1 mark. So totally 8 marks. How to get 8 marks easily? Here the first thing, how many solutions does the pair of linear equations in two variables have if they are inconsistent? Actually, inconsistent means no solution at all. Therefore, the answer should be what? No solution. Okay, here then in the next problem, the question related about geometry. Here observe a triangle ABC. In the figure, DE parallel to what? BC. AD is equal to 2 centimeter, BD is equal to 6 centimeter, and then find the ratio of DE and BC. Then remember DE is to BC. Here let us see how to solve this problem. Here I take separately, I want a separate sheet. I want to work that one. Here observe that carefully what I am going to say and what I am going to do. Here the triangle ABC. Okay, here A, B, C. Here the line passing that is parallel to the word BC. That's called what? DE. Here length of AD is given 2 centimeter. Length of DB is given length is what? 6 centimeter. Question asked, we need to find DE is to BC. Here I want to use the corollary to the basic property theorem. Here corollary to the basic property theorem that is depending upon the what sides of the triangles only. Here what way? Observe that one. AD is the side of the triangle ADE and AB that is the side of the triangle ABC. On that basis I want to take the ratio. Corresponding sides are proportional. That is AD by AB is equivalent to AE that is side of the triangle ADE and AC that is side of the triangle ABC. On that basis that is taken as AE by AC. It is equivalent to here DE that is smaller side, that's what DE by BC. Okay, we need only these two. Why? AD is given, that's what 2 centimeter by AB can be written as AD plus DB is equivalent to DE by BC. There are two divisible by. What is the length of AD? That is what 2 centimeter. What is the length of BD is given 6 centimeter. Is equal to what? DE by BC. Here in the numerator, write 2 as it is. 2 plus 6 you are getting 8 is equal to what? DE by BC. Here we reduce to 1 the 2 4 the. Therefore, that is DE by BC is equivalent to 1 by 4. But question asked, you write in the ratio format. That is DE is to BC is equal to what? 1 is to 4. This is the only required answer. So it is one more question, okay, but we need to show this one. Therefore, answer is what? 1 is to 4. After that, next question. Here observe that one. That is the circumference of the base of a cylinder is 10 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Here you have to show the work. Circumference of base of the cylinder. Cylinder that was circular in shape. So base is given. That is the circumference is given. So what the circumference is given? 10 centimeter. On that basis, circumference, you know that circle, That's what 2 pi r is equal to what 10 centimeter. And the height is given. So what that is a 25 centimeter. Question asked, find the curved surface of the cylinder. You know that one, curved surface area of cylinder. So what are getting? That is 2 pi r into h. Here 2 pi r, that is given in the problem 10. Write that into h, vertical height is given 25. Multiple these two, that becomes 250. Unit, don't forget, square centimeter. In that way, we can find the what curves of the cylinder. Okay, after this, next question, that's what read the probability. So what the question is given, write the value of P of E plus P of E bar. P of E bar with not E, you have to spell that one. So with reference to probability, here sum of these two, an event and not E, whose sum is what always 1. So probability of an event plus probability of not E. So is always 1. Very easy. You are getting 1 mark. After that, in an arithmetic progression, the seventh term is 12. Next question, observe that one. 13th question. In an arithmetic progression, the seventh term is 12 more than its fourth term. Find the common difference. Here also you have to work. Here, what that? Observe carefully. So, what are the thing you have to observe? Seventh term means A7 is 12. More means plus, less means minus. Here 12 more than its fourth term. Its fourth term means A4. Here I want to express A7 using the identity an is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. N minus 1 into d. Here A7, that is A plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to A4. A plus 4 minus 1 into d plus 12. Here if you transfers A cancelled. So 7 minus 1, that was 6d is equivalent to, here 4 minus 1, 3d plus 12. Transfer this 3d from right to left, that becomes minus. That's 6d minus 3d is equal to what? 12. If you subtract 3d from 6d, what are you getting? 3d is equal to what? 12. From this 3 we may divide 3 ones are 3 fours are. Therefore, common difference obtained d is equal to what? 4. In that way, you get the correct answer. So, in this case, common difference what? 4. After this, we have to move to the next question. That is 14th question. Here observe 14th question will be what? So the thing is very simple. In the figure, a cone with radius R and slanted L is mounted on a hemisphere with radius R. Okay, with radius R. Write the formula to find the total surface area of the solid formed. Here actually cone is okay kept on the what? Hemisphere. You know that one. Cone whose curved surface area, that's what? Pi r L plus. You know the surface of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Here you may write pi into r into L plus 2 into pi into r into r. Here common, pi r common, I want to factorize. If you factorize pi r inside the bracket L plus 2r, don't forget to mention the unit, square units. Therefore, what the formula you are getting? Pi r is pi r into L plus 2r plus L plus 2r square units. In that way, you have to get the solution. After this, here the problem, read the what? Geometry. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. BC and QR are corresponding sides. If angle P is equal to 80 degree, angle C is equal to 40 degree, then what is the measure of angle P? So for this, we need to work how? Observe carefully. Here triangles are given. First triangle, That's what ABC. A, B, A, B, C. Another triangle, that is P, Q, R. Here in the question only given BC and QR, they are the corresponding sides. Here angle P is given 80 degree. Angle C is given 40 degree. Question asked what is the angle P. Here I want to find in the triangle ABC, I want to find the angle A. You know that one, sum of the triangles what 180 degree. Okay. From that 180 degree, subtract the sum of these two, you are getting the angle A. Therefore, angle A is equivalent to 180 degree minus 80 degree plus 40 degree. It is equivalent to 180 degree minus, add these two, 120 degree. Here subtract 120 from 180 degree, you are getting the what 60 degree. Therefore, angle is obtained, that's almost 60 degree. Here angle is correspond to what? Angle P. Therefore, angle P whose measurement what? 60 degree. In this way, we can find the angle P. I think it is very easy. You feel very easy? Sure, anyone can score the mark. Okay, after this, next question. Here observe what the next question. So 16th question. Observe that carefully. 16th question. Here, if the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equivalent to x square plus 3x plus k are reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal to each other, question given. Then find the value of k. Here observe what the equation is given. P of x is equivalent to x square plus 3x plus k. Here roots are what? Alpha and beta. Here alpha is the reciprocal of beta or beta is the reciprocal of alpha. Don't forget. Okay. So that is given in the problem only. After this, here compare this equation with the what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Here ax in place of a what is there? 1 is there. Therefore, a is equal to what? 1. In place of b what is there? 3 is there. B is equal to 3. In place of c what is there? C is equal to constant. K for what? Constant. Okay. Now I am going to apply the product the zeros. That's what you know that alpha into beta is equal to what? C by a. Here beta is the reciprocal of alpha. On that basis, I want to write that as 1 by alpha is equal to C. What is the value of C? K. What is the value of A? 1. Here divide 1 za 1 za. Therefore, you are getting the value of K as 1 by 1 means 1. In this way, you can find the solution of the second main. Each question carries 1 mark. Very easy. Try to recall. Okay. So what you learned in the classroom, what you heard, you have to listen carefully and try to recall. Surely you are getting. Okay. So my dear students, I want to stop here. So next video, I'm going to take the third main. That is 2 marks question. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel, share my channel. Suppose if you any type of the doubt, you may write those question in the comment box. Thank you one and all. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are encouraging me, surely I can do the further math portions. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.